Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve front-end development with Mozilla, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve your front-end development skills using Mozilla's resources, start by visiting the official Mozilla Developer Network website. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available resources on the site. Look for the Learn Web Development section. This section provides a comprehensive overview of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Begin with the HTML tutorials to understand the structure of web pages. Practice by creating simple web pages using basic HTML elements. Next, move on to CSS to learn how to style your web pages. Follow the step-by-step guides presented in the CSS section. Experiment with different properties to see how they affect your designs. Once comfortable with HTML and CSS, dive into JavaScript fundamentals. Utilize the provided examples and code snippets to practice interactivity. Explore the JavaScript guide for a deeper understanding of programming concepts. Take on small projects or exercises to reinforce your learning. As you progress, visit the Web APIs section to discover how to enhance your applications. Learn about the Document Object Model, or DOM, to manipulate HTML elements dynamically. Keep practicing by building real-world projects to solidify your skills. Consider participating in the Mozilla community forums for additional support and insights. To stay updated, regularly check Mozilla's blog for the latest trends and techniques. Finally, always seek feedback on your projects to identify areas for improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.